A Norwegian Revert sister, Amina, accepted Islam just months before Ramadan. Living in Tromsø, fasting lasted nearly 20 hours. Her family didn't understand why she stopped eating during daylight. She broke fast alone the first week. Dates, water, silence. One snowy evening, there was a knock at her door. Outside stood 3 Muslims from the local mosque carrying food containers. They said, "We heard there is a new sister fasting alone." They had driven 40 minutes just so she wouldn't break fast alone. Amina later said, "I thought Islam made me different from people. Ramadan showed me I gained a family across the world." Ummah exists even where Muslims are few.